The next question is a rebuttal question, and Justin, you'll be the first to answer this one. The question is, what is the single biggest challenge as it pertains to prosecution efforts in a county attorney's office?
In a county of this size, quite frankly, it could be just the fact that you may know the individual that you potentially have to prosecute. We're not in a city the size of Omaha where there's hundreds of thousands of individuals. You have a situation where you're dealing with 20,000 people in the entire county. And personal relationships, to me, I think would be the hardest, but it has to be overcome. Which is why in this campaign, I don't know how many people I've had come up to me and say, oh, if you're the county attorney, I'm going to get a heck of a deal, huh? And I said, no, you're not. No, you're not. I'm going to treat you exactly like I treat everyone else. But as far as prosecution is concerned, I think that's probably one of the harder challenges, is going to be dealing with the fact that you may be prosecuting someone that you knew at some point.
Thank you. And Scott, what is the single biggest challenge as it pertains to prosecution efforts in a county attorney's office?
I would say that the biggest challenge is probably weighing what can go to trial and what can't. It's a very complicated situation sometimes that we're dealt. We can't possibly take every single case to trial. So we have to actively look at the cases, talk with victims, talk with law enforcement, and make sure we're making educated and good choices in order that we don't break the bank. If we took every single case to trial, not only would the courts not be able to handle it, the county budget would not be able to handle it. So it takes a fine balance in being able to accomplish that.
And Justin, you have an opportunity for 30-second rebuttal on that if you wish.
That could most certainly be a challenge. However, with my criminal defense background, all you have to do is sit down and look at the elements of the case. What needs to be proven? Can we meet those elements in the case? And work with law enforcement to determine whether or not they have all of their facts together and all of the information needed to meet those elements. And working with the potential victims, if it's a case involving victims, to see if it's possible to meet those elements that you need to prosecute. Sometimes there's a need for plea agreements, sometimes there's not. And if you can meet all those elements, I see no particular need to plead anyone to anything.
Thank you.